Misplay's Cashout button can appear unavailable when the reward you selected costs more units than you currently have, and Misplay also changes which rewards are available by region and currency. If your Cashout or redemption button is grayed out, the fix usually comes down to checking your unit balance, the specific reward, your account status, and whether the shop itself is working correctly. First, open Misplay and go to the shop. Select the reward you want and check the unit cost shown on the gift card details page. Misplay says rewards you have enough units to redeem are displayed there, while unavailable options can appear with red gift card amounts. So if the button is disabled for one reward but other rewards are selectable, the problem is probably with that specific reward rather than your entire account. Next, check whether the reward is actually available in your location. Misplay says reward options can vary by region and currency, and individual gift cards can cycle in and out of the shop based on availability. If the reward disappeared or cannot be selected, try another currently available reward instead of repeatedly tapping the disabled button. If you have enough units and the reward is available but redemption still does not work, restart Misplay completely. Force stop the app, reopen it, and check the shop again. If you see a network-related error, Misplay recommends restarting the app, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and making sure data saver is disabled. Also, check your account for an error message. Misplay's current error code guide lists specific problems involving network connections, VPN detection, incompatible devices, automation apps, and account status. If you receive an error code, use that exact code when contacting Misplay support instead of guessing what caused the lockout. One more thing, a successful redemption does not always mean the reward appears instantly. Misplay says an order can remain pending for up to 48 hours while it is processed. Once it becomes approved, you can use the Visit Site option to access the reward code and instructions. So, if your Misplay Cashout button is grayed out, first verify that you have enough units for that specific reward. Then check whether the reward is available in your region. After that, restart the app and look for any error code before contacting support. Your practical next step is to open Shop, select the reward, and check its unit requirement and availability. If those are both correct and the button is still disabled, contact Misplay support with a screenshot of what you see. If this fixed your issue, like the video and subscribe for more Misplay troubleshooting guides.